Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Well, good morning. Well guys, well, blessed love. It is that morning, for the big day, for the festival here, in Fort Lauderdale. So, yeah man guys, anyway, I think there's nothing more love and love alone. So boy, it's good, that I'm here, but it's next bad feeling, the gut feeling that I've been having in this hurricane, that's literally in Jamaica. It's really saddening, everything that's going on. It leaves this bad taste in my mouth right now. Trust me, not so happy, of what's going on right now. Melissa, why you never just go on about your business? Right now I'm so sad. And it's like, and worse, I'm not even there, to try to help any situation, so it's quite heartfelt right now to know what's going on, so hope and pray everything is alright, hope not many people that don't get affected by this, so I hope not. So I'm waiting on the Uber, to head to the rehab center, because I woke up late, to be honest. I really woke up late, so late. Sunrise team was calling me. I was so far asleep, so far asleep. So I'm just waiting for this Uber to turn up, so we can head there. I'm sleeping in the Airbnb here. So it's on Commercial Boulevard as well too. This is at Commercial Boulevard. So let me see how long it says. Guys, it's so windy. And I just arrived at the Sunrise Center. So this is what's going on.
You got in there? All the different countries, drag them
Represent where we come from. Alright.
That's it, everybody.
Hello, you missed the stuff.
What I miss? What did I miss?
Already just reached?
Yeah.
You missed a lot of dancing.
Yes,
The Yeah, all the booty shaking.
Booty shake. It's everything.
Really? Hello.
Hello, Kina.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you again.
I know.
This is Kino. That's Kino. That's Dion. Yeah, where she is.
Okay.
Good to see you, man.
Hey, how are you?
Right?
Good.
Or your something looks yeah, you click look and then you got her something. Makes it easier. That way you know your mom. Are you ready? No, you can go. That's fine. Let's give her the coffee and you can take one. That way. Yeah, you can go this way. You can give her the coffee and then
Miss you all.
And where you're going, you're going to go all the way around. You know what? Just ask him what he needs and get it for him because he will run out. Huh? What do you want? No, upstairs. You want jerk chicken? Jerk. Okay, go to the other bed. Stay right there.
I'm alright. How are you doing?
One of his strawberries.
Thank you so much.
I'm the one that reached out to you about the mission trip. You're coming out next month.
Oh, yeah.
You look for Charmaine?
Oh, she's right here.
Oh my God!
In a Jamaica farm.
You guys like my husband. Yes, you. Yeah. Them say you couldn't wake up this morning.
No.
What time you reach out?
I went to my bed like after 4.
What you was doing? Editing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what happens sometimes in that editing world.
Yes, ma'am. It was nice to finally meet you in person.
Thank you so much.
So you're gonna hang out with us when we come down? You're gonna hang out with us when we come down to the mission trip?
Yeah.
That's what I say.
Yeah,
You're the
I'm
one
gonna
that
be
sent me Charmaine.
Yeah, I'm gonna be there.
Oh, okay.
For sure, I'm gonna be there.
All right, sounds good.
That's where it is.
Okay. All right, my husband over there, so I'm gonna go back over there. We'll talk.
How are you?
Good,
I was asking for you. That's why you like coming in.
I'm here. You're right. Yes, my general.
So you go.
Hello.
Doing good?
Yeah.
You just a come?
No, yesterday.
Okay.
Yesterday, we come. What
happened to you? What happened to you?
I'm sleeping. I finish edit like after 4, you know. This editing is so bad, trust me. I don't get time, you know.
What's up, brother?
Cool.
Hi, Kino.
How you doing?
You're walking.
No. Manually.
Rasta eat pasta.
That's what I'm saying.
It's Rasta that.
I know. You don't want to bring it up.
How should Rasta eat pasta?
What about you, Wally?
No, we're just letting him do the capture.
Oh, Rasta pasta.
pasta.
We have beautiful Akeynote saltfish, boiled banana.
It's a Jamaican national dish. Also no salt serving. Got the jerk chicken over here. Got shrimp.
Jerk chicken.
Oh,
Chicken looks bad.
smells good. I'm gonna eat them something there.
Meat.
All food.
But you eat fish.
Yeah.
Oh, so
A pescatarian.
good.
Pepper shrimp.
A pepper shrimp, right?
Yeah.
Pepper
Is it?
shrimp, you know, Jamaica. Frozen.
Jerk pork. is fire fish.
Stew peas. Let me fire over
I
here.
guess this is fry up saltfish.
No, I'm not reaching some fish yet.
We got fish over here.
Oh, there's a fish over here. Oh.
Escovitch fish.
Are you escovitch and Susie?
No, not today.
Not today.
Next time.
You will eat this too, a saltfish.
No, make saltfish.
Well,
Let's dance there. We're going to walk on that.
Yes.
Walk on that. Yeah.
you know you're live?
Yeah. Direct right now.
Live and direct.
Direct. Wow. Section. This is the 80 section over here.
What is it?
This is the 80 section. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes, you think?
Presenting. Of course. What is that?
Cassava.
Cassava.
Yes.
Oh. It's like biscuit.
I think they use how to say manioc in English? What we use? Yuca. Yes.
Oh.
We use yuca to do it.
Wow. That's nice. Rice and peas?
Black rice, legume, vegetables, brio, black rice.
Black rice there. Little black rice there. They got the 80 building.
From Mexico. Yes, the Latino.
We have USA.
Piece of chicken.
And we have any ice cream? And that is tamarind sauce.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Tamarind sauce is peppery.
That's
Country.
Yeah, representing.
Chicken, roti.
okay, cool.
No bacon shock.
You want fish, right?
Yeah, when I'm ready. I'm not ready yet.
Okay, but you will want some to stay in the hotel for the warm up later, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one is fish, rice, and
Last year, right? Patrice. Hey, Patrice. Say the day last year. So, how you do your recording? Yeah, man.
What the prize is a gift card of $30 from Publix.
Hey, John, nice to meet you.
And this is the question. Employees will be exempt. How old is this facility?
miss the star, man. But your family, them alright though, bottle down and thing, and your family, them, everybody button down.
Yeah.
If you go close, employee 32 now. How many? Jacket cannot answer this question. You're exempt. How many employees do we have? Okay? Part-time and full-time.
700.
So, 4/400, okay? Okay, all right. This is for our visitors.
Yeah, man.
Outside speed, you know?
You outside? You outside as well?
And we're going to give this to an immigrant.
Hey, what going?
The person who has lived in the United States for 60 years. 60 years. Okay, here we have it. How many years? 75 years. Where are you from? No, going once, going twice. 60. How many years? 45 years. How many years? 45. Out of 91 people, we have contributed a lot to this country. Thank you. Tommy, is Tommy here? This is for our
Did he tell you what I said?
No.
I sent you a message.
When?
Because he told me, no, old Kim is not coming in. Because I said, tell him, he better come. If I have to pay the ticket, I will do it. What's that?
No, 4.
Where's the rice?
Down there.
I'm passing. I'm waiting for the officer. You eat already, Tina?
Yeah, just add something.
Huh?
Just add something.
Oh, now?
Earlier.
But you ate already. But you good now?
Yeah, for now.
It's always happy to see you.
Thank you. Okay, so we're going to look for patients residents. The oldest patient or resident. Is there anyone here for 80 years old? 80 years old. How old are you? Wow, we have an 86-year-old here. 86. Wow. A picture.
Thank you.
Wow, we have an 90-year-old over here. There's a
Yeah. And if I ever fall,
Y'all said thank you?
Kiwanis. How you doing? The Kiwanis is here. Kiwanis is here.
So how is Jamaica treating you?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Can't complain.
When did you come up?
Yesterday.
Oh, wow, you get out there before the storm started?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I want to tell you everything was booked before the storm approached.
You don't have any napkins over here, no?
No napkins. I was looking for one myself.
So we have here. So you okay, right?
Good, man.
Nice. But it seems like we're getting the wind over here.
Oh, yeah, it's windy.
Very windy.
Yeah,
Very windy over here, boy. I'm just walking by. What is this, lantern?
It looks like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jamaica need that right
That's
now.
what I'm saying, they will need this down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Like
is.
you know, when I'm light, you get something you can light and yeah.
They will definitely need that down there right
Yeah.
now. Whoa.
We need every source of power we can get down in Jamaica right now. Because boy, from what they said about the storm, it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah. Boy, we'll have to pray for Jamaica.
Yeah, and you know, I hope those people I hope they evacuate.
Yeah.
Because you know, if they just hang around, they're gonna die. Cause Jamaicans we tend not to evacuate when a storm.
Yeah.
But this one's gonna be deadly.
Deadly, right?
Yeah.
I'm just praying that, something mysteriously happen, it just changes
listen,
course.
If you want change, sometimes you gotta make the change happen.
Yeah.
You cannot sit down and says, you want to ride through the storm. This is not something to ride through. Because the way Jamaica is set up, and especially in the Kingston area and those areas, you gotta get out of harm's way.
Yeah.
You have to get out of harm's way. We got category 4 storm, and with that amount of 18 inches of rain coming, no. If I live in Kingston, I'm going to Manchester and get an Airbnb over there. That's what I'm doing. I'm not sitting and waiting for a miracle, because God says He give you knowledge, and you gotta help yourself. He didn't say to, because think about it. If you didn't start this organization, what would have happened?
That's true.
What if you had waited for a miracle to come and fall in your lap?
That is true.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So He gave you knowledge, wisdom, and understanding to utilize it and uses it, right?
True.
For the betterment of the people.
That's true.
So you have to take somebody to say, listen guys, we got to get out of harm's way. We trust God. Of course we trust God. But in the same token, what are our preparations? Is there any preparation in Jamaica for this kind of storm coming?
I don't really know how much of a preparation is there.
Exactly.
But I know they must be telling people to find shelter or something.
But is there a shelter down there? As far as you know?
As far as I know, no. Maybe the area that you live in, You have
the
to
school.
find schools, like find something that you can shelter yourself. So I don't know of
You know,
anything.
I'm from
Probably like the
Manchester.
National Stadium or
Right,
like
yeah.
them place, but
Yeah, and so the Prime Minister and the governments need to start utilizing that service for the people. And let them know how serious this thing is. Because if America can take it so seriously, you know, Jamaica, you come on now, you
we have to
can't.
take it more even serious.
You know, we believe in miracles, of course. But God said, if you want something, you have to diligently pray about it, and you got to stay on top of it, right?
True.
Yes. It doesn't just, all of this doesn't just sit and come into fruition like that.
It don't drop just
It's
like
hard
that.
work, right?
Hard work,
You
yes.
see how the people put time and effort into it, right? All of what we get from other organizations and trying to pack up and take to Jamaica,
give
how
back,
did we get it?
Hard
Did we
work.
just sit up and say, oh Lord, you
Put
know?
Put the work in. Put the work
I
in.
go to my job, I get boxes, I sell tickets
Start
to,
falling down.
you know,
Is it inside?
oh,
Oh yeah.
you know, I sell tickets for fish,
Yeah.
you know. So
Cool.
we all put our little 2 cents in,
Have
you know.
to.
I have bags of clothes that right now they can't accept anything more because we have so much stuff to take to Jamaica
Yeah,
already.
there's so much. I saw them as well too. It's so many stuff.
So much stuff we have.
And we give
you know?
thanks. And it's hard work. Do that, you know.
Exactly. And we have to utilize a team, right? And it doesn't take one person. You see how many people it takes to get all this all put together.
Yeah.
Right?
A team, you know.
Yeah, and that event we have been down there on the 20th. Look how many people it needs to get it together, right?
So much.
So the day before, we have to prepare. We have to go and look at the site. What do we need? How soon we need to get there? How many tables?
True.
So, you know, so it's not about just praying to God. We believe in God. Huh? Can I open it? Yes, I can try.
All right, then thank you so much, you know, for the wisdom.
Yeah, man.
You know, so we can-
each one teach one, you know.
That's the one. That's one.
And you, as a young man, you started this movement, and we as a whole one, we put all our knowledge together and make it happen.
And make it happen.
And hopefully, we can make this into a global thing, not just for Jamaica alone.
Global.
Global, you know,
Yes, going
because
globally.
the world needs all of us, you know.
True.
And we're everywhere.
Yeah.
And when we do it, we don't look at skin color.
No.
We just look at the need,
the need.
the human heart, right?
All right.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Nice talking to you.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah. Hey. Make a lot of sense. You know, thing. Eddie. How you doing, my brother?
Good? Everything good?
Yes, man. Everything is good, man. Everything is good. Why? The weather looking away.
Yeah.
Just imagine it looking Jamaica.
Yeah. So we get that banner. We'll bring that to Jamaica.
Yeah, I've just seen it. The Q1 is, you know, Club of Global Alliance. Well, we're praying for Jamaica
Yes.
with this storm, you know.
I call all our members down to make sure they're all right.
Yes. I really
Last
have
night I called every one of them.
I really have to check in, you know. Really have to check in.
I tell them, I put a notice out. We're supposed to have a meeting. I said, no, we can't have no meeting. Your well-being come first.
Yes. Of course, it's welcome.
Meeting come afterwards.
Because right now I'm worried, you know.
So I called them. I said, listen, I could have texted them, but I want to hear more, hear from a person.
Personal, yes.
So I talked to everyone of them.
Each and every one, yeah.
Say anything, they call me. Call me, text me, because your safety and well-being is more important.
True.
And the club is one family.
Yeah.
We are here, but you're there, but we're still one family.
Of course, so we have to give the support.
Tell them all the while, team have no I in it.
No.
So it's
There's
not
no
about-
I in team.
No.
No, we are tired.
There's
It's
no-
united we stand.
Yes, there's no I
divided
in
we
team.
fall.
Right, I tell them all the time.
Yes, united we stand and divided we
See?
fall. It's the most righteous
So,
way, you know?
yeah.
It's righteous, man. Eddie, we're going to catch up then.
Yes, man, we talk.
Yeah?
All right, Kino.
All right. Then.
She been a sick shit. Jamaica, we don't be madam. We madam, we sick. You bet money ringing bell. Moving like we come from hell. We want to hide that just us. We lean jab until we dead. Jab up we jump like fish. And you know anything we in it. When you see me do well,
Hold on, we're starting the competition. Who can dance now? Who is right?
Listen, come over here, son. Take off my glasses. I'm never talking on the program.
I'd like to take this time.
Any old, my husband say they live near me. He may have to watch me. I'm in a movie with him. My God.
So at this time, I'd like to ask Jamaica, the Americas, where are you? Please line up to do your final presentation. Final presentation. Final presentation. Haiti, Latin America, please line up for your final presentation. Okay? This is your opportunity to share a little of your culture. Dance. We have done the food.
And now we're not going to watch you or something, because every day we're up on Akeynote.
Okay, are you ready?
Akeynote! My God! So happy to see you, man, I tell you. Up every time. I have so much people you never know so with the strong behind. But we are.
Okay.
Subscribe and win. Big up. I'm just
answers needed. So, come. You've got to clear this. Clear this. Okay. Okay. All right. We need to clear.
What you say? They don't love me. Well, if they don't love me, it's because of you. So you know what? As of today, you and I are true. What you say? You love me? Then how comes for the past 40 years you've been trying to knock me out? I remember the first time we met. It was in a bar. You remember? Yes, you remember, yes. That night, remember, you winked at me, and I winked back at you, and we danced until I could hardly feel my legs. It was a stranger who wanted to take me on, and in the morning, you called me bright and early and said, I must come and check you. Yes, you did. Remember where you was? You was in the liquor store. And the night as well, you say, I must come meet you again. And where was you? In the same bar that night? Yes. And that night I got so drunk that I found my head in one of the toilet bowl. Do you remember? That night I couldn't even pass a breathalyzer test. I lose the brand new Mercedes Benz. I will never forgive you for that, Joseph. Yes, in the mornings you were telling me, don't get up, lay down a little bit longer because I will lose my job. My wife said to me, is either you or she? What did you say to me? No piano man. She will joke me. See you, my wife almost left me. One night I come home and when I take out my key and try the door, the thought suddenly occurred to me that my wife was not joking at all. No. So I turned to you for advice. I did not know that asking him for advice was like asking a donkey who him father was. Yes, you said to me, let us stick together because we make a winning pair. We make a smashing couple. Now tell me, where is the award we win? Eh? Where the trophy left? So you know what? As of today, you make me lose everything. My children, them don't want to talk to me again because them say my bread stink. Me lose my car, my house, and my beautiful Mercedes Benz. So you know what? As of today, I am leaving you. Alright. Go on. What you waiting at? One oh, you're waiting for me to make the first move. Alright? What you crying for? Don't cry, it's a big buckle. Oh, Manova. You want big cap. Alright, one now. Stop your crying. Stop your crying. Oh, sure. Alright. Just one last sip. Alright? And children, you must not drink here. It is bad for your heart and dangerous for your liver. But as my grandmother always said, it's not only drink you can drink from, you know. If you have a headache, you must use your sap your knee. Yes, some people have their headache when they're full. Thank you all very much. My name is Akeynote.
Hey, what's up?
You good?
Yeah.
Next one.
This storm is getting worse.
In Jamaica?
Yeah.
Is it there yet?
No, but it's getting worse.
You are the best
What are you doing? I'm good.
Miss Charmian, tell me about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miss Charmian, this is the
Yes,
young man.
this is Akeynote. So you need to subscribe.
Yeah. If you don't subscribe.
All right.
Take care. Yeah.
This is the blogger from Jamaica, Akeynote Life in Jamaica.
Hello.
Talk to her and make sure you subscribe to him. Come on.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
Nice to meet you.
And you have a YouTube?
Yes, YouTube. Oop, I'll catch that for you.
He's over there with the thing.
Go on for me.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. Careful, careful.
I want to drop a pork.
Yeah.
Let's hold the pork.
I want a pork. Yeah, all the pork. I'm gonna eat the pork, you know.
I asked for a box, but oh really? Don't let it touch you.
Yeah. Alright guys, so it was a wonderful day. You know, it was a wonderful day. You know, my heart was half in it, and my next half of heart was in Jamaica, worrying about what's going on. You know, so as this guy, we're praying. You know that everything change. You know, I'm praying that Melissa calm and settle down and just change direction. You know, but you know, with the Almighty, all things are possible. You know, things can really change in a split second. So we just hope and pray everything can change, you know, because trust me, I'm here, but I'm not so fully here. You know, my heart is not so fully here. I'm still here and I'm still worried so much, you know. Then I end up leave as well too. And then now my trip was planned way before this hurricane, you know. So it's the first time I've been away and I feel so disheartened in a certain way, you know. I feel so, I get even a bad gut feeling as well. It was like I'm not so happy, you know. I'm not so happy. I'm really worried. I'm really worried. So I'm just praying, you know, keep praying that everything will change, you know. I'm hoping for the best, you know. Melissa, I beg you, please calm down, you know. Turn back, go somewhere else. I'm begging you, please. So guys, yes, you know, as you can see, you know, it was a wonderful day here today, you know, and then I'm gonna move on to my next destination, which is I'm gonna get ready, you know, get my thing packed, relax, and then I'll be heading on to where I'm going. So blessed love guys, blessed love, you know, there's nothing but love and love alone. So let's pray for Jamaica. So blessed love. Well. Blessed love God, blessed love, blessed love. Well guys, you know, it is that time, you know, I'm going to make that move, you know, moving on to my next destination, you know, but trust me, let me wipe my lens off. Trust me guys, I am not that happy, you know, but, you know, are excited because of what taking place in Jamaica, you know, and it hits me even more is when I left, you know, because all this trip the plan all way before anything pops up, you know, this is all planned way before the hurricane and everything, you know. So even when I was leaving, I feel away, but not so much like, oh, I'm literally feeling no, while I know that I am out the country, you know. That one hits me different, and to see all of this is literally building up, the category and all of that is building up. Yes, the category is building up, you know, to category 5 and everything, and now it's happening and we really don't know what's taking place, you know. A lot of places going to be out of light shortage, and we don't know how long the service is going to be down for as well to the Wi-Fi service. So it's in a case where we'll have to just pray for Jamaica, you know, pray for each and every one, you know, because I've never been so worried in my life so much like I'm really worried right now, you know. But, you know, I've been praying, hoping for all the best, you know, and each and every one that's, you know, got family back there, and each and every one that's, you know, relative, you know. But send out your prayer, you know, because Jamaica first experience of facing this is historic, you know, storm that head into Jamaica. And we know Jamaica is really vulnerable already when it comes down to flooding, you know, really vulnerable because of the drainage system, and the gully has been blacking up with rubbish and all these stuff, you know. So life-threatening situation this is, you know. Jamaica is our home, you know. We got family, relative, we got family, friends, you name it, that's there. You know, and then for you to leave your home and then go back to see your home in a disaster, you know, that breaks you deeply, you know, deeply. So I'm just taking this time to walk, you know, because my flight is a couple hours away, so I'll be heading to the airport anytime soon, you know. So I just, let me say, I make this walk before, you know. I literally was sleeping. Since I've been here, it's like I sleep more, you know. I've been sleeping so much since I've been here. So many sleep, you know. I don't remember taking so many sleep, but you know, the body needed it, so I give thanks for it. Yes, so let's love, guys, you know, the thing goes. So I'm gonna catch you on my new destination. You know, that's where I'm gonna be. So you know, the thing goes, nothing but love alone, guys. So stay tuned, you know, bless up yourself. So let me just walk this wonderful, you know, neighborhood. You know, it's so beautiful, it's so nice, as you can see. Very quiet. You know, if a pin drop, you will hear it. You know, that's why around here is very quiet and it's so beautiful. You know, I really like the way Florida set up. I really do. And it's been so many rain as well to here, you know, in Florida, because of what's taking place in the Caribbean Sea. So you know, Florida is like a hour or something away from Jamaica. You know, so you know the thing goes, guys. You know it goes. So I'm gonna take you through on my journey, you know, heading to my destination. So I'm looking forward for when I'm there, you know. So the only thing we are doing right now, we just wait and see, you know, how bad the damage is gonna be, you know, in Jamaica. Because you know the journey continues. So in any way, any form of way we can give back support to Jamaica, you know, we all should come together on this platform and make we just give back. I know a lot of people is gonna be damaged, you know, because of this weather. You know, so I know when I return, the work is gonna literally even more than before. You know, so I'm preparing myself when I go back. I know that it's time to do work. You know, a lot of people is concerned as well even about Cranberry and the family, because they're living right on the hillside, and them say must look out for landslide and all this little thing, you know, and we're praying for them. You know, we only can pray. You know, so I don't know if there's place, or I don't know if there's place where they can shelter to, you know, and everything. So we hope that can also happen. You know, we all hope that can happen, boy. So we praying. And you see this walk that I'm making, this is a walk where usually everyone take part in by walking to exercise, you know. That's why I notice people always walk to exercise here. You know, over there you got some sports field over there. I also have a lake. Also behind there's a lake right there as well too. Hopefully I don't bump into any iguanas. There's a mini lake right here. Usually you have to look for iguanas. I was walking last night and I saw one run past me and run up the tree. Big one as well. So here's a lake right here. So there's a lake in this community at the back. This place is so quiet. So quiet. So guys, so time for me to go and sort out my stuff and get ready, you know, to go and hit the airport. Go and check in from early and just relax and wait at my flight for my destination. So blessed love, you know, remember please to give the video a thumbs up. Always remember to give the video a thumbs up. So yeah, I need to psych up myself, you know. I need to psych up myself, but it's not easy doing that when you know what's going on. So blessed love, God bless you all. Let's all pray for Jamaica, you know. Let's all pray for Jamaica and hope for the best. Anything but peace and love. Peace, blessed love. Yeah.
But we really enjoyed you coming, health and rehab.
Come forward, Miss Strong, man.
Okay,
guys.
Kino.
Yeah, here's mommy around there, everything goes, guys.
No, I'm saying we're so happy that you were able to make it.
Yeah.
And it was wonderful to have you another year. This is what, your second year, your third trip with us. And we're hoping to see you soon.
Very soon.
We're hoping that the dream team in Trenchtown and all our families and friends in Jamaica, that they will be safe, and we're praying for them.
Definitely, for sure.
We're praying for them, and we hear them.
Yeah.
And the minute we're able to get into Jamaica, we're prepared to bring whatever it is to help and to rebuild.
Yes.
Because we love our island.
And they appreciate you so much, you know. As you see the comment section, everyone been thanking you so much, the Sunrise team, you know, for everything that's going to Trenchtown.
Yes.
You know, we have to also big up Pat as well to over here, the driver. Don't stop at all, you know what I'm saying? I really appreciate the hospitality, you know. I'm telling you, whenever I'm here, I feel like I'm at home. I don't have to worry about nothing at all, you know. I'm at home. I feel so welcome. I felt the love, especially when I'm at the center. The love is there, you know. Everyone is like so happy to see you. Like whenever you shout of love, just come to the rehab center, man.
Yes.
You get all different type of love that you never felt before, you know.
Pure love,
you know. And the thing is, and the staff them speak highly about you as well too, you know. So you set that pace there, and everyone does carry it on, you know. So guys, remember they're coming down the 20th of November, and the L4 is the 21st and 22nd.
We're going to be there. We're going to have the pediatrician, that's the children's doctor. We're going to have the ophthalmologist, that's the eye doctor. We're going to have the internist, that's a family doctor. We're going to have the dentist. And the good thing about it this year, we are actually collaborating with locals down there. So we are coming, but we will be working with the locals, local doctors down there, so that is going to be good. So we really want the schools to know that, to tell the kids, we're going to have flyers, you know, we'll have flyers for you to remember to come out and get your checkup. And you know, it's free. Everything is going to be free. So we really want you guys to come out.
Yes, it's all free of cost, guys. It's going to be on 6th Street, you know, that's in Trenchtown, you know. And I'm going to say, you know, my contact number, you can always contact me to get more information, you know. And just remember, it's going to be the 21st, you know, of November. So bring the kids, them come to get them checkups, you know. You yourself come get checks. If you have eye problem, just come and see the doctor. So everything is free, you know. I'm going to say it's really a blessing, so we can bring this awareness to Trenchtown as well, so everyone can get checks, you know. Because we know down there 90% of the people have pressure problem, sugar problem, and all this good stuff, you know, because of the situation that they're facing, you know. So it's really a blessing when time the Dream Team and the Sunrise team come together, you know. We can also give back, I will appreciate. and everyone see the stuff them in the storeroom that's coming to Trenchtown. Why?
It's a container of things we are literally shipping to Jamaica, and we can't forget the Global Alliance Kiwanis group that is collaborating with us, and we are also a part of it. And this all started after the first trip when we actually came down and we really identified the issues. So we are working with others to make Trenchtown a better place.
Yes.
You know, make Trenchtown a better place.
And we have good thing in the future, in the pipeline, you know, coming up. So keep fingers crossed. Trust me.
Lots of plans for Trenchtown. Because Trenchtown has contributed so much in the history of Jamaica, especially with culture and music.
Of course. I appreciate it. I would thank you so much, Mr. Charmaine. You know, thank you so much, Pat. You know, for always there as well too. You know, never leave me alone. Never, guys. We appreciate. So we are one family. Sunrise team, Dream team, you know, and the Kiwanis, you know, we are one family. So big up yourself, Eddie, as well to Eddie Wong. Big up yourself, Liquid General, you know.
And also our owners, the owners of Sunrise Health and Rehab, that is Howard Mermelstein, Kalma Jacobowitz, and Michael Fest, because they have always financed us when traveling to Jamaica to Trenchtown. So we thank them so much.
Yes. I have a big up also, my brother, big up yourself, Kevin, you know, from another mother. You know, anything goes to. And Jonathan, never get to see you this time, so hopefully next time we'll see you. You know, so yes guys, I'm gonna say I'm heading to the airport now, you know, moving on to my next destination. I'm going to alright, you're gonna see it anyway, you know, because I'm not far away. So you will see, most of them have an idea where I'm going, you know, some don't, so some hope to see where I'm going. You know, I'm gonna say it's sad times that I'm traveling right now. You know, so like half my heart there at Jamaica world right now, and the mood is like it's down, you know. So the first time I'm traveling, and I'm not so excited and happy because of the situation, because you can't be happy, you know, when you're in your country and your relatives, friends facing what's going on in Jamaica right now, you know. So I imagine after, that's where the help is going to even need it even more, because it's going to be like a disaster right now after Jamaica. We're going to face this again. So we'll keep our prayers up, you know, guys. We'll keep praying for Jamaica, you know, hoping for the best. You know, we know a lot of you guys probably don't have connection with relatives because of the shortage of light, the outage, if possible. So just hopefully it's not so much. Melissa, I don't like you. I don't like you at all. You could have gone about your business, you know, but boy, you choose to stop. So blessed love, guys. You know your thing, go. Peace. Right, right? I hope it may.
Well, this is not that if you're strapped. Pat, you have to stay in the car? Yeah, okay. Alright, say bye to Pat. Yeah. Come on, brother.
Alright, brother. Take care.
Safe travel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Love you all.
Alright, safe flight.
Yeah.
So you're gonna put this. What are you gonna do? God bless you.
What? You want Instagram?
Yeah.
Let's give it. Thank you. Let's get Instagram a shout out.
Come on.
Those guys, you're meeting one of our wonderful lady here working at the airport. Tell me your name.
Jelinda.
Yeah, she's a bit shy, so we're gonna unshy her, you know, so she's not bad. So you're on social media, right?
Yeah.
What's the Instagram?
Jelinda_cherry.
Yeah. So go out here and give her some love, you know. Don't stalk her, just go and say hello, I saw you on Akeynote. Give them the spelling of your name.
JELENDA.
And you find her on Instagram, right? See, she got a pretty smile.
Thank you.
Yes, guys, you know, I just checked in. Alright, guys, so I've been through all my checks. Already and everything, so I'm just been waiting. So I got some time to board. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go and sit back and edit the video, and then I'm waiting to go board. So I got a little time, you know. I'm here a bit early, so it's good. So at least I just get some time to edit this video, so you can be watching this. I can watch it right now. So I'm doing that editing right now. So stay tuned. Alright, guys. So it's time for me to go board. So I was doing some editing, so I finished editing now, so it's time for me to go on board now. I had it's called a veggie burger, black beans and then stuff. When I had that, that's the time I noticed I really miss Ivo Spice burger, When I taste it, I'm like, damn, Ivo Spice. Why don't I bring some Ivo Spice burger with me? Even though it wouldn't last for so long. But yes, I should have brought some with me. Some Ivo Spice burger. Hey, they do more well. For boarding time, guys. Alright guys, so I just arrived and I know one and two of you guys must recognize this airport. I don't have to show much, but you literally must recognize something. Talking. Must recognize something. Let me show you again. Just say welcome. Must. So you recognize anything yet? Still not yet. Yes guys, so blessed love. So as what I was saying, you guys must recognize this airport by now. Must. So I am here in the building. You know the thing goes already. I'm here in the building. They said it's cold outside, but you know I'm the winter man. You call me the ice man, because I love the winter. You know, I got no problem when it's cold, but it's really cold outside. But I'm just warm. I'm warm enough. Yeah, I'm very warm enough. So I got an extra layer jacket if needed. You know, so but I'm ready for this weather. So already, so I'm gonna get my luggage and then get picked up and then head on. You know, so just stay tuned on the journey, guys. But I'm here in your building, and some of you still wondering, oh, which part Keena there? I mean, some is saying yes, Keena's here, is there, and they put in the name also in the live comment section that where I'm at. You know, so see there again. If you still not recognize it yet, you still not recognize it. See that leaf that will look like. You see the leaf, right? So for you see the leaf, you must know exactly where I'm at right now. Right? When you see the leaf, you know where I'm at. You know where I am at. Yeah. Just touched down in the airport. Track suit on my Air Force. And all the people them love me. All the ones say me ugly. Alright guys, I just come through immigration. Trust me. They gave me a warm time coming through immigration. I don't know why. Hello. I'm good. They give me a warm time through immigration.
You know. Don't mind tell me, but I was in there, you know
yeah.
Long.
Oh gosh. Because I tried to call your number.
Yeah, but it's not picking up. Tell my girlfriend, we have, you found it? Yeah. This is Millicent, Akeynote, live Jamaica.
Hello, Millicent. Thank you so much for coming to meet me. They give me a hey, I couldn't believe it. Auntie. Alright, guys, Auntie is here. Auntie Elaine is here. They're rough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have this Millie drive me out. Huh? No, you have the keys. I couldn't move the car. Drive me out. You said things.
Okay.
Yeah, I couldn't move the car. My friend told me.
Oh, sorry, you're a boss? Sorry, man.
No, sit to the front of there. So you will see the road,
Yeah.
And then I went back in, but guess what? They wanted her to move the car.
Oh. Because I sent you a message.
Alien, what I tell you guys I couldn't drive now. So why you never come right?
So I just moved the car. I heard the text, but guess what happened? I don't know what's wrong with my phone. I'm not getting anything.
Yeah,
I have Wi-Fi, but it's not picking up outside.
Yeah.
So I send you a message to tell you that I'm outside.
Oh.
Because I just come back out to move the car. So welcome to Canada.
Yeah. He even went to on my YouTube channel. Like, let me see a YouTube channel.
Oh my God.
So I show him the YouTube channel and I told him I was just coming from an event in Fort Lauderdale. I'm like, let me see the event. I'm like, I don't edit that one as yet.
Yes.
So I'm like, let me see a trip when you go to Florida. And I show him all those trips when I go to Florida. I'm like, is it the first time going there? I'm like, no. He's like, let me see the first trip when they went to Florida. I'm like,
oh my gosh.
So I have to search for the video when I went there for the first time. I'm like, oh, you work for YouTube? I'm like, listen, I've been doing YouTube for a long while now.
You do charity and all of that. Thank you, Mrs. Young. Because the guy said to me, I realized I don't have the keys because I left the keys with her.
Oh.
So
they
I said,
giving me a hard time. They're telling I couldn't drive the car because I don't want to move.
Because we want to stay.
Yeah.
So he said to me, if you don't move the car, we're going to pound the car.
Oh,
I said, please.
See, every time I come
a little bit more time.
Yes.
If we had parked underground, you know, they wouldn't bother us. But you know, everything is money. They want to make money.
Am I going?
Are you made the wrong exit?
You make me going the wrong way.
It's new highways. That's why I didn't take the road.
I was trying to ring your number, it's not going through.
No, it's not going through. I hear it go click, click.
Yeah.
So that's when I say, let me message.
So I text you, I say I'm in immigration, you know, because I come through the checks. I think the guy, what's that, French? Is it French?
The bilingual. They have to speak many languages.
Yeah, because when I went up to the first immigration guy, he's the one that...
So they second.
Yeah.
Send you to the second.
So take my receipt and then mark it up with pink and everything. If I see him mark it up, I like, he's sending me through immigration. As I know that everything's going to be alright. They just want to try to see if I look shaky or,
But I said to my girlfriend, you know, you go in. And she said, how he looks. I said, he's tall and he has braids.
Yeah.
So Millie, you found him okay. You went up to him?
Yeah, she went up to me and showed me the paper. I'm like, but she showed me the wrong part of the paper. I'm like, no, that's not me. But the paper dropped. When the paper dropped, no, it fell on the next side and it said Kino. I'm like, oh, this is me.
Yeah, because I said to her, that's his name. So when you go up, you say Kino.
Yeah, and the way it happens, to show me the front part of the paper with some different writing. And I
that's
said,
the flight.
yes, I know, that's not me. Yeah. And then it dropped out her hand same time.
God is good.
Yeah, and then it flipped right on my name. I'm like, oh yeah, this is me, don't it? I was like, wow. Yeah, the way that happened.
God worked things.
Exactly. The way that happened, guys, I'm telling the truth, that's the first I've ever seen that. She showed me the paper, but she showed me the wrong side of the flight number. So I said, no, that's not me.
I don't know where I'm going. I get messed up. Dairy Road. And Richdale, I don't.
And I said, no, that's not me. And the paper just dropped. Same time as I said that, it dropped and it turned around and I see my name. I'm like, oh yeah, it's me.
Because I wrote your phone number on it.
Yeah.
But I think I started. I put 1876, but that's the person.
My phone
did. Her phone died.
Oh, I'm just recording.
I said to her, go with this piece of paper, and that's his name. If you see me, just go with Kino.
Watch out now. You see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.